Hello everyone, and welcome to Antarsoft. Our YouTube channel was born 2 years ago. We do our best to bring out educational content with good quality that will enhance your programming skills if you're a student, professional, or a hobbyist. We believe that everyone who wants to learn programming or game development has the right to access such educational content, no matter how high or low are your skills. Now it's time to show us your support. From now on, you'll find the button Join at the bottom of each video. There are 4 tiers you can show your support with. Each one has its perks, and the higher the tier, the more the perks. When joining any tier, you'll get a badge next to your icon when commenting. The more time you support, the better icon it'll become. And you'll stand out from the crowd as a supporter, along with access to custom emojis. First tier is Thank You. Your name will be displayed at the end of the video, and you'll have a supporter badge in our Discord channel. Second tier is Silver. Your name will be shown in red at the end of each video, and you'll have a silver badge in our Discord channel. Third tier is Gold. Your name will be shown in red as a gold supporter at the end of each video, and you'll get a gold badge in our Discord channel, along with access to an exclusive room where you'll have behind-the-scenes access to the video creation process and give suggestions as well. Fourth tier is Diamond. Your name will be read at the start of each video as a sponsor by saying this video is brought to you by, and you'll get a diamond badge in our Discord channel, along with the access to the private room. Your support will help us drive the channel forward faster and continue giving you the lessons you need. Keeping in mind that support packages are monthly and can be cancelled at any time. If you don't feel like you can support the channel with the tiers, we'll be happy to have you as our beloved subscriber. Help us promote our videos on your social media platforms so others can benefit as well. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!